Hi, my name is Tyler, and I'm a patient of Dr. Douglas Leventhal at the Paramus office of ENT Allergy Associates. When I first reached out to Dr. Leventhal, I was experiencing a deviated septum, sinus pain, breathing issues, a whole bunch. Some of the challenges I faced with my symptoms were sleeping poorly, not being able to work out, or even perform my activities in my job. I was becoming winded and tired, and I just wasn't having a good quality of life. A lot of times with these respiratory issues, you don't realize how poor your quality of life is until you're on the other side, and that was definitely the case with me. I figured, it's not that bad, I can deal with it. You shouldn't have to deal with it. And I'm so glad that I made the choice to see Dr. Leventhal at ENT Allergy Associates and get the help that I needed. So my first impression of Dr. Leventhal was that he had a great educational background. I aligned with some of his hobbies. He's a big sports fan, so that immediately made me comfortable with him. And when I got there, he was able to explain my condition and what the treatment would be in plain English, right? He used simple words that I understood, and he talked to me like human to human, and I really appreciate that. It really made me feel comfortable with what we'd be doing and where I'd end up. My experience at ENT Allergy Associates was positive right from the very first visit. I felt welcomed by the reception team. I didn't have to wait very long before going in. And then once I was in, Dr. Leventhal was very friendly, very well-informed and intelligent. And what was a positive benefit for me is that allergy was in the same building, in the same group. So when Dr. Leventhal informed me that my allergies were also playing a role, I was able to go right down the hall, see the allergist, Dr. Justin, and get treatment for that as well. Post-op care was very thorough. They followed up the same day. I heard from the nurse that day. And then Dr. Leventhal called me the next day to check in, see how I was feeling, and schedule my follow-up visits just to make sure everything was going well, that I was feeling okay, and that we were on the right track for recovery. The main reasons I would tell someone to go see a doctor at ENT Allergy Associates, specifically Dr. Leventhal, is the ease of getting an appointment and the manner of care that you're going to receive. I was able to book my appointment right online. I didn't have to talk to a single soul until I walked into that office, which I know is a big benefit for a lot of people these days. So it made me feel very comfortable booking that. I was well received when I walked in, and Dr. Leventhal was so friendly, so intelligent, and was able to walk me through every step of the process. What stood out most for me during my healthcare journey with the ENT Allergy Associates would just be the thoroughness at every stage. Everyone you meet is friendly, knows what they're doing, and makes you feel like you're at the right place to get the best care. I'm so thankful for Dr. Leventhal and the care that he provided me with. I have said it so many times that you don't realize how bad your quality of life is until you're on the other side, experiencing the good quality. And I've said that Dr. Leventhal didn't give me back my life. He gave me a life I never thought I could have, and I'm extremely appreciative for that.